Good evening, everyone, and thank you for this opportunity to speak at this historic event, I may say. Historic because no one has written a book like this before. My compliments to Sriram, and I must particularly compliment him on being so courageous. Normally, one writes a book either about the future or about something which has happened, but to write in the midst of something which is happening, where the contours of which are still so uncertain. It effect is we are all still grappling with it, and in that, if you to write a book, it requires vision, it requires no doubt courage, it requires the ability to be able to look at all aspects of it, which he has brought out very well in his book, and I truly compliment him for that. Today, what we are witnessing is not just a global pandemic. I believe that some of the disruptions which we are seeing have only got accelerated because of COVID-19. There were disruptions arising out of the technological changes, the fourth industrial revolution, as we would call it, changes arising out of the socio-political, shall I say, boundaries being redrawn, trade agreements being rewritten, whole host of changes across the world. COVID has only further accelerated this. But having said that, it has left a trail of destruction. Not only has it impacted people, it is not just about the number of deaths, the number of positives, the number of negatives, those who have recovered from it. It is not about that. It has also resulted in impact on businesses across. Everybody is vulnerable, and everybody now, just as much individuals require treatment, individuals require to be hospitalized, individuals require to be put on ventilators or given medicines. Businesses too are now today in ventilator stage in some of them. Businesses are being put on oxygen through fiscal and other supports which are happening. But just as we are all looking forward to a vaccine which is to be there, we are all looking forward to how this and when this will go away. What has happened really, in my view, is businesses today have not only adapted themselves to this admirably, including the people aspect of it, but most importantly, disaster recovery and prevention plans and business continuity plans are being rewritten. Everybody realizes that this is not the final pandemic. There could be many more things which would happen. So the key thing which businesses today are all doing, including professions like us, is to be prepared for events like this. How do we, what sort of business vaccines we need to have to be able to prevent us from being impacted by events like this? What sort of treatment we should have to be able to, navigate events like this and come out successfully? That's what businesses today are looking at, using this as an opportunity and as a learning ground. And that is what I would see as the future. Businesses would be more resilient, businesses would be more better prepared, and businesses will therefore be able to withstand the shocks even of any other event, because I don't think there could be a worse event than what we are facing today. Sriram in his book has brought out this very well by covering a wide variety of industries, with interviews of business leaders, and with very, very useful anecdotes. I compliment him of this, and I would urge all my acquaintances and contacts to use this in a way as a reference, though book is titled No Reference Point. My best wishes to you, Sriram, and looking forward to volume 2 of this book. Thank you.